Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Healthcare Engineering. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable biomedical engineering and healthcare technology project ideas. Now, just imagine this situation for a moment. A patient is on IV fluid support in a busy hospital ward. Nurses are moving from bed to bed. Doctors are checking multiple patients. Everything is happening fast. In that kind of environment, even something as routine as IV fluid monitoring becomes very important. Because if IV fluid is not monitored properly, it can create problems. The fluid may finish without quick notice. The flow may not be as expected. Staff may need to keep checking again and again. And in busy settings, manual observation also is not always enough. So, this brings us to today's project idea: Smart IV Fluid Monitoring Device. This is a very practical, modern and attractive project idea, especially for students who want a healthcare-based concept that feels real, useful and easy to present. The reason I like this topic is simple. It focuses on something very common in healthcare, but it tries to improve it in a smart way. And that is exactly what makes a project stand out. A lot of students search for project titles that sound complicated. But sometimes the best projects are not that ones that sound the most difficult. They are the ones that solve a real and visible healthcare problem in a meaningful way. And this topic does exactly that. The idea behind a smart IV fluid monitoring device is to create a system that can help observe or track IV fluid status in a better way than depending only on routine manual checking. In simple words, this project is about making IV fluid observation smarter, easier and more reliable. That is why this idea has strong value. It connects directly with hospital workflow. It connects with patient care, and it connects with a real day-to-day challenge faced in healthcare environments. From a student perspective, this topic is very powerful because it has both simplicity and value. It is simple enough for people to understand quickly, but it is valuable enough to be presented as an important biomedical or healthcare technology innovation. That combination is very important because when lecturers, supervisors or evaluators hear this topic, they can immediately understand the problem area and the usefulness of the project. That gives the project stronger impact. Another good thing about this topic is that it can be shaped in different ways. It can be developed as a simple monitoring concept. It can be made more advanced depending on the academic level. It can be presented as a ward support solution, a hospital workflow improvement idea, or even a patient safety oriented innovation. So, the topic has flexibility, and that is exactly why students get attracted to projects like this. But here is the truth. A good project title also is never enough. Many students find an attractive title, but they do not know how to turn it into a strong final project. They may not know how to define the scope, how to shape the concept, how to make it look innovative, or how to align it with their diploma, degree or final year expectations. That is where proper support becomes very important. At Healthcare Engineering Private Limited, we support students in selecting the right project direction, building the framework, refining the concept, and developing healthcare-related academic projects in a more meaningful and professional way. So, if you are interested in doing a project like Smart IV Fluid Monitoring Device or any other biomedical engineering, healthcare technology or digital health project, you can contact us for support and inquiries. We are here to help you build your idea into a stronger and more attractive project. So, overall, this is a very good project topic because it is practical, healthcare related, problem focused and highly presentable. It is the kind of project that can catch attention when it is guided and developed in the right way. And before ending this video, once again, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more project ideas and student guidance content. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.